Welcome to One Shot. The costs incurred by flushing soft serve mix through the machine as part of a sanitizing process is a hidden operational cost that accumulates over the lifetime of a soft serve machine. Believe it or not, these costs directly impact your overall profitability. System One Shot has the smart container, allowing you to dispense the consumable directly from the smart container itself. These are pre-packed by licensed manufacturers to exacting hygiene standards, maintaining perfect product integrity until served. And because the consumable never comes into contact with the dispenser, there is absolutely no sanitizing required. The sanitizing nightmares are over. Win or lose, we are so confident of our system's operational cost compared to conventional soft-serve machines. Our company has developed a cost accounting program to directly compare One Shot against traditional soft-serve machines. It is not always a case of liquid mix-in and frozen desserts sold, since there are many hidden costs that are often seldom discussed. Equipment cost, energy consumption, heat emission, installation costs, lost sales due to freeze downtime, sanitizing, special wiring if needed, service, spares, waste. We want to be your #1 provider of choice for ice cream and frozen yogurt solutions. For more information, contact One Shot at info@one-shot.com.